Salut à tous, c'est Dingy et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le premier épisode de mon let's play sur Life is Strange. Alors, tu vas te dire, mais Marie, nous sommes sur une chaîne de sketch, alors pourquoi fais-tu un let's play? Parce que je fais ce que je veux, voilà, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Non, plus sérieusement, j'aime vraiment beaucoup ce jeu. Et il est quand même déjà pas mal connu et je l'avais fait il y a quelques mois. Et je me suis dit, pourquoi pas le faire découvrir à éventuellement quelques personnes qui ne le connaîtraient pas. Voilà. En plus, ma chaîne est vide, du coup, on va combler un peu, tu vois. Moi, j'aime beaucoup ça. Alors, on peut voir effectivement que j'avais fait déjà une première fois le jeu. Je l'ai terminé il y avait quelques mois, comme je l'ai dit. Et voilà. On va commencer une nouvelle partie. J'espère en tout cas que ça vous plaira. C'est vraiment un jeu exceptionnel. Je ferai sûrement des épisodes à chaque fois de plus ou moins 20 minutes. La fréquence de sortie dépendra un peu du temps que j'aurai. Bon, je vous laisse.
There's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Ah oui, très bien. J'avais absolument oublié comment on avançait. C'est absolument pas avec ZQSD, mais c'est un clavier anglais. Du coup, j'appuie sur W. Ah oui, je pense que vous avez remarqué, mais le jeu est en anglais, du coup... j'espère que... Bah, déjà, l'anglais, c'est bien. J'espère que vous aimez ça. Et là, on est au milieu d'une très très grosse tempête.
Holy shit.
Ça, tu l'as dit, t'es un peu dans la merde quand même. Un peu.
Whoa. That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in black and
I didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
Oh, elle est pas si mal, ta photo.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself.
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Ouais. Du coup, si vous voulez lire le journal, je vais juste vous laisser quelques secondes les pages et vous pourrez faire pause, mais je vais pas m'attarder là-dessus. Ici, c'est à chaque fois un petit résumé de ce qui lui arrive dans sa vie, plutôt passionnant, et des personnes qu'on connaît. Ça, Max, c'est nous. Jefferson, c'est notre prof. Kate, c'est notre pote. Et Victoria, ça l'est pas. Oui, le résumé des épisodes. Je ne sais plus ce que c'est. Oui, les différents endroits qu'on connaît. Et les SMS avec notre famille. Warren, c'est notre pote. Et voilà.
Seriously though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. And any one of you could do that to me. Isn't that too easy? Too obvious? What if Arbus chose to capture people at the height of the shh? I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Évidemment que je le savais, hein. C'est logique, hein. En même temps, c'est vraiment le genre de choses que tout le monde connaît.
I did know, but I kind of forgot.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows this stuff?
Prof.
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook, or even online. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Bon, on va aller voir notre
Victoria
pote.
doesn't waste a second kissing ass. Hi, Kate.
Oh. Hi, Max.
I know, Mr. Jefferson. I just worked
You seem quiet today.
I'm sure
Just thinking too much.
soon hire work. I just really think Everyday Heroes is an
I hear that.
event. And I want to
Want to go grab a cup of tea and bitch about life?
Thanks, but not today. I have to go over homework.
No worries. Let's hang later.
Sure.
I don't want anybody to feel excluded from this process, but I also want everybody to know that this photographic world is not for everybody. I had my moment in the camera eye, and I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Cramé, Max.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch-up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Ok.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to.
I feel like you have to
You always
Welcome to the real world.
cute.
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Because Max wants everybody to see how hip she is. I'm not paying He plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy.
Faut pas dire ça, t'as pas l'air d'un loser. Juste un peu crevé. Faut dormir hein, dans la vie, c'est important. Je crois que je suis vraiment le pire commentary du monde. C'est genre incroyable.
I love that picture of Mom and Dad. Hello, Jack. Kiss, kiss. Andy, you look totally fabulous, as usual.
American girls, I'd like to be part of the world around you. Driving a car by the seaside.
It looks like she's been gone for months.
The world from the bright side.
C'est rassurant. Allons aux toilettes.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me.
Ce qu'il y a de bien, c'est que ces toilettes ont vraiment l'air super entretenues. Rachel. La meuf disparue, donc. C'est pas très très gentil, ça. Et Victoria. Ouais, pas faux. Vous verrez pourquoi.
I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
Peut-être.
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift. Fuck it.
Ah mais non, mais ta photo. Qu'est-ce que tu vas présenter au concours?
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Je crois que tu t'es trompé de toilette.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Holy shit.
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
He likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
From light to shadow. From color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
Can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Can I actually reverse time?
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because
Oh,
of her images of
ce ne serait
hopeless
pas
faces,
du tout
you feel like totally
le
haunted
thème
by
du jeu.
I did it.
Can you give me
I
an
actually
example
did
of a
it.
photographer who perfectly captured
I'm a
the human
human
condition in
time
black and
machine.
white? Anybody? Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
When I took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
You feel like totally haunted by
If he does again,
I
I'll
believe
know
Max
this
is
is for
living
real.
what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of course,
dreaming
as
this.
you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was not
can
the
go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
Couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography.
Et voilà,
I
le
need to go to the
syndrome du
bathroom quickly
justicier.
and check it out.
Now, Max,
Ça va pouvoir depuis 3
since
secondes
you've
et ça veut
captured
déjà
our
sauver le
interest and
monde.
clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Pire excuse du monde. Besoin d'aller aux toilettes. Tracasse, ça passe crème.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
C'est
What
bon,
if I
hein,
rewind
ça
again
passe.
and give him the right answer?
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation,
C'est évidemment le procédé de Daguerre. Hein?
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work,
Ouais,
Max.
fais ses devoirs.
The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone.
Bien sûr que
You
j'ai
guys
pris
don't forget
d'avance.
the deadline to submit a
C'est
photo in the
totalement
Everyday
ça.
Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Yes, Victoria.
Nice answer, Max. Are you okay? You look pale.
Kate, did we talk at all today?
This is the first time. What's wrong?
I'm sorry, I'm just tripping. Too much stress.
I know the feeling.
I just really think Everyday Heroes is
I wish we didn't. I do have to go, but we can talk later if you want.
I'll see how I feel. Thanks, Max.
Bon, on va lui parler, hein, comme ça sera fait.
I don't want anybody to feel excluded from this process, but
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
no, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Yeah, I'm not sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
Ah ok. Je suis obligée de remonter le temps, je peux pas me barrer comme ça. La meuf trop pressée quoi.
Excluded from this process, but I also want everybody to know
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson,
one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Évidemment, comme John Lennon disait.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers, good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
J'ai gagné genre 10 secondes, pas mal.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody.
Oh, c'est bon, là, t'es large, le couloir est pas si grand que ça.
Yo, Daniel, you remember that it's payday?
You know I don't tease.
I hate that science class with those nerds.
What's that got to do with...
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Il serait quand même venu dans les toilettes si t'avais pas fait tout ça. Hein. Je dis ça, je dis rien.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer, it's happening. I need a hammer to break it open.
On va remonter un peu le temps pour me laisser.
What to do? I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Oups, je suis pas assez rapide.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they? No way!
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real.
À peine.
I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on?
Bonne question.
Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Mais c'est vrai.
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in
Ce
gear.
mec
The
est
alarm
fou.
tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen.
Gros parano.
Situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job. You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max.
Alors c'est marrant parce que quand elle parle de futur, en fait, elle remonte le temps, donc rigolez s'il vous plaît.
Talk to me.
Je pourrais dénoncer cet enfoiré, mais comme c'est un peu le riche, bah je me ferais défoncer. Du coup, je vais plutôt cacher. Je m'en occuperai tout.
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the
Mais
truth.
c'est quoi le problème de ces personnes dans ce lycée? On n'a pas le droit d'aller aux
Tell me what
toilettes.
you're hiding. You can trust me.
There's nothing to hide. I got sick. It happens, you know.
There's that teen toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3 weeks and you're already causing conflict. I don't think your parents will approve when they find out. Now get outside with class. Please.
Est-ce que vous vous rendez compte qu'elle s'est fait engueuler parce qu'elle est allée aux toilettes? Mais c'est triste.
Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
Ah oui, j'ai oublié de vous dire. À chaque fois dans l'histoire, il va y avoir des gros choix importants comme ça à faire. Et ça influencera plus tard l'histoire. Du coup, il peut y avoir plusieurs scènes différentes et plusieurs versions du jeu. Du coup, là, j'ai choisi la solution où je ne dénonce pas Nathan. et ça va avoir un impact. Je ne sais absolument pas lequel parce que j'ai pas de mémoire. Enfin bref, on verra bien.
Max, you better go on outside.
Laissez-moi sortir. J'aime bien faire des monologues toute seule contre une porte. Et tu vas faire quoi contre ça, foiré? Allez, go sur le campus. Ah, j'ai dit lycée, mais on a l'unif en fait. Ah ouais, je suis une grande fille quand même. L'académie, je pense que c'est unif. Et voilà, on est sur le parking, à l'entrée. Je dis n'importe quoi. Là, ça doit faire un peu plus de 20 minutes. Du coup, je pense qu'on va se quitter sur ce premier épisode. Voilà. On s'est remonté le temps. Et on vient de sauver une meuf aux cheveux bleus. Plutôt pas mal, non? J'espère que ce premier épisode vous aura plu. N'hésitez pas à me dire ce que vous en avez pensé dans les commentaires. Voilà. À très bientôt pour le prochain épisode. Et surtout... je ne sais pas ce que je dis. Allez bien. Allez, bye.
Feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once again.